This is video 1 for our 5th grade name project. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to hold our paper tall. We're going to hold it in portrait, and we're going to be writing our names. We're going to write our names in block lettering. So for this one, I'm going to do my daughter's name, Morgan. So we're going to do them in block letters. The easy way to do block letters is you're going to start out with your regular letter. So this is M. And then what we do is we repeat the letter inside and then connect it. Okay, the same thing, we have an O. So what we're going to do is we're going to stack our letters. The letters don't have to be, they can be straight down or we can turn them. It's totally up to you. So for this, I'm going to do an O and I'm going to make this overlap so that it creates space. R, I'm going to make the R go this way. So I'm going to draw my R, I'm going to overlap it again. Okay. And on the screen before this, or after the video, it shows you and breaks down block letters. But basically, you repeat the letter. So this is an A, and then we repeat the A again. And what you can do is you can erase any of the lines that are in between. And we move it up to get our N. So Morgan's name is shorter. My example on the wall is my name. It's much longer. So Morgan. Then what we're going to do is we are going to take a fat Sharpie and we are going to outline it, but we're also going to add a shadow to it. So we're going to outline this with the Sharpie, really nice and neat. We're going to outline it with a thick Sharpie. Then on one of the sides, we're going to make it a really thick line. This is going to make it look like it's three-dimensional. Try the skinnier side for this one. We're going to outline it. And then on half of it, we're going to outline it. We're going to make it thicker so it looks like it's popping off. There we go, like that. Let's use the pointed tip. So we're going to use the pointed tip to outline. And then what we're going to do is we're going to make it darker on one side. So any of the right-hand sides of the letter, we're going to make it darker so that it starts to look like it's 3D. Here's the tip again. Okay, we're going to do the inside. We're going to do the right side. We're going to do the tip up here, the right side here, and the right side here. Now notice if I went outside of the lines here, you can just kind of take the Sharpie and outline it right there. So now that looks 3D. And then the N. We're going to take the skinny tip, outline it, go over the right sides thick, and then the top. And make sure that that's on like that. So now we have our name, and it looks like it's three-dimensional. After we're done this, we are ready to move on to video 2. Any questions? Please ask.